All right, guys, what a wonderful moment here on our farm. In this video, I want to be talking to you about the number of pigs you will be needing to put in your pen. This is an extremely important aspect of pig farming because certainly the number of space you give to your animals determine their growth rate, which I believe is the goal of every farmer. We want to have a maximum growth rate, and putting your pigs in a choky, overcrowded environment can hamper that growth that you're looking for. And that's why in this video I want to be answering the question on how many pigs would you be needing to put in a space. All right, now the main question you need to ask yourself is, what type of pigs do you want to put in that space? Because it varies from the type of pigs to the other type of pig. That means for some pigs, for instance now, the boar pig, that's the male matured pig, is expected to stay on its own. Also, the pregnant sow is expected to stay on its own. So you need to understand that in discussing the number of pigs to put in a pen, you need to also pay attention to the type of pigs you want to put in your pen. So I'll be starting from the space. So let's talk about the space. Now, when we are dealing with the boar and the pregnant sow, a 10 by 8 feet space is good for them. A 10 by 8 feet is good for them. Right here, what you see on this video is a 10. This is a 10 by 20. This is a 10 by 20 feet. This place is 10. The breadth is 10. The length is 20. So you can use this, what you have in front of you, to understand what will be 10 by 8. So that means if you can put this into half, you'll be dealing with 10 by 10, and a little bit reduction from that will make it 8 by 10. That space is good enough for your boar pig or your pregnant sow. Now, the other types of pigs you need to understand that exist. We have the weaners pigs, we have the grower pigs, we have the gilt. The gilt is the female pig that is yet to be pregnant, yet to take in. Then we also have the finisher pig, and then we have the fattener pig. So in this video, I'll be giving you the month, because I'm sure many of you are eager to know what month would a pig be in that would make you tell if they are winners, if they are growers, if they are finisher, or if they are fattener. All right, let me start with that. Your winner pig starts from age 1 month to age 3 months. So 1 month to 3 months, you're dealing with winners pigs. From 4 months to 7 months, that's your grower pig. From 4 months to 7 months is your grower pig. And from 8 months to 12 months, you are dealing with your finisher pig. And then from 12 months above, that's your fattener pigs. Now, I've discussed the pregnant pig and the boar pig, their spacing already. For the winner pig, what a winner pig needs is a 10 by 10 feet space. A winner pigs require 10 by 10 feet space. I said already that boar and a pregnant sow requires 10 by 8. But for winners, for growers, you use 10 by 10. Now, the next question you should ask is, how many pigs do you fit into the space I just mentioned? 10 by 10. For your winner pigs, you should put in between 8 to 10 winner pigs in a 10 by 10 space. 8 to 10. The meaning of that is a maximum of 10 pigs, winner pigs, should occupy a 10 by 10 feet space. That means if you have a 10 by 10 feet space and you're putting 5 pigs, you are putting 6 pigs, you are not maximally using up that space. But for a grower pig, which I told you is 4 to 7 months, you can put in between 5 to 7 growers in a 10 by 10 feet space. And for your finisher pig, that's age 8 to 12 months, you should fit in only 3 to 4 pigs. 3 to 4 pigs of the finisher type into a 10 by 10 space. Now, from what I've said, you can understand what will be required for the number of space you have. For instance, now we have a 10 by 10. This can tell you that right here we have the grower pigs here. These are the grower pigs. For a 10 by 10, for a 10 by 20 rather space, we can have a maximum of 14 pigs here. 14 pigs, grower pigs of this size, can stay right here and they will be just really fine. Because I told you already that for a grower pigs, you require 5 to 7 for 10 by 10. When we have 10 by 20, we can put in a maximum of 14 pigs here in the grower size. But if I was using this same pen for winner pigs, I can put in a maximum of 20 winner pigs. Don't forget, winner pigs is 8 to 10 for 10 by 10. 8 to 10 pigs for a 10 by 10 space. So having a space like this, I can fit in 20 winner pigs. That's, I told you already, winner pigs age 1 to 3 months. I can fit them right here. While for the finisher pigs, I can fit in a maximum of 8 finisher pigs in this pen. Now, what's my advice when it comes to spacing and how should you maximally use your space? Well, there are lots of ideas out there. Some people feel it is better to have partitioning. That means just the 10 by 10, 10 by 10. But I decided to go for a 10 by 20 because this is supposed to be a space where we fatten our pigs. This is a space for growers and finisher. This is not a pregnant pig pen. So you can understand the idea behind having a 10 by 10. But obviously, if I was going to want to have a pregnant pig in this place, I would have needed to have partitioned this to ensure that I can have 2 different pens here at least for the pregnant sow that I'll be putting here. So these are some of the things you need to know when it comes to spacing in pig farming to ensure that their growth rate is maximum, to ensure that they are growing in the right way with the right speed. So I really hope this has helped. Some people don't feel they should have like a lot of pigs in one pen, so they will rather break it into different pens. And the reason for that is because of disease control. So it's a great idea, but sometimes you have to deal with some realities, and I feel it's sometimes good, and that's why I had to just minimize. I left it to just 20 feet. So having 8 finisher pigs here is still quite good, but you don't want to. I personally don't want to have a very large. That means you see, if you can notice now, we partitioned it right here. We didn't extend it down, because if you extended it down, the other one is also a 20 feet pen, that means I would have been able to put in 16, but I rather partitioned it so I can control 8 finisher there and 8 finisher here. So that's the idea around spacing your pigs right here. I really hope this video has helped you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to our channel for lots of great content on profitable pig farming. All right guys, bye bye.